Hello everyone, we have here age word problem in algebra. The sum of A's and B's ages in 5 years will be 31. C's age in 5 years will be 4 more than 3 times A's age now. When B's age will be 9 more than half C's age now. How old are they now? And so any one of you guys who would like to attempt and solve this problem, just feel free to pause the video. Okay. And so how are we going to solve this problem? Okay, so let's start. The sum of A's and B's ages in 5 years will be 31. C's age in 5 years will be 4 more than 3 times A's age now. There's a comma, so we have to pause. And now here's a comparison of ages of C and A. C's age in the future compared to A's age in the present, so is now. And the second part, when B's age will be 9 more than half C's age now. So this is about the same timeline comparison of their ages, B's age compared to C's age. Same comparison as on the first part of the second sentence. And what's being asked is their present ages, all of them, A, B, and C. So we'll be using a table to better analyze and reflect what's indicated in the problem and to solve the problem. So we have here a table to reflect what's indicated in the problem. So that is, we start from the second sentence, says here, C's age comparison to A's age now. C's age in the future in 5 years compared to A's age now. So A's age now, let's put that here as A, as present age of A. And C's age in the future, says there, in 5 years, 4 more than 3 times A's age now. A's age now is A, that's the present. And C's age in the future in 5 years, that is 3 times A's age. That's 3 times A. Then it says here 5 years will be 4 more than 3 times A's age now, so plus 4. And second part of the second sentence, B's age will be 9 more than half C's age now. So B's age compared to C's age now. B's future age compared to C's present age. So in here, we need to derive C's present age. We get present age of C. So that means since the future is 5 years, so we'll be subtracting 5 from here. So this is now 3A plus 4, so minus 5 years. Going back to our problem, the second part of the second sentence, it says here, B's age will be 9 more than half C's age now. So that is B's age. This is in here compared to C's age now. It says here 9 more than half C's age now. This is C's age now. This is 3A. So that is 3A, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. So, and it says there half of that, says there 9 more, so that's plus 9. So that is B's age in the future, 3A minus 1 divided by 2 plus 9. And the first sentence, it says here the sum of A's and B's ages in 5 years will be 31. So we have to indicate the future age of A. Since this is 5 years, so we have to add A to 5. So A plus 5. And so what's being asked here is the present ages of A, B, and C. So present age of B, we need to fill this up. So this based on here, the future age in 5 years. So that means we're subtracting 5 from here. So that is now 3A minus 1 divided by 2, subtracting 5 from 9, that will be plus 4. Now if you notice, back on our table, we have just one variable, it's A, but we have 3 people involved here, A's age, B's age, and C's age. The next thing that we have to do is find an equation, just a single equation, because we have just one variable, right? So we have one variable, so we just need one equation. So let's go back to our problem. On the first sentence, it says the sum of A's and B's ages in 5 years will be 31. So the sum of their ages will be 31. So going back to our table. So in here, the sum of this A's and B's ages in 5 years will be 31. So we have here an equation. So A plus 5, that's A's age in 5 years, plus B's age in 5 years, there will be this. So 3A minus 1 divided by 2 plus 9. And the sum of these two ages is 31. So now we can solve their ages. All right, it's starting from A's age. All we have to do now is simplify this equation. All right, let's do it. So A plus 5 and 9, that's 14, plus 3A minus 1 divided by 2 equals 31. Transposing 14 to the right side. So A plus 3A minus 1 divided by 2 equals 31 minus 14. So this is equal to 17. So A plus 3A minus 1 divided by 2 equals 17. Simplifying this equation further. Multiplying the whole equation with 2. So this is now 2A plus 3A minus 1 equals 17 times 2 is 34. Combine like terms, transposing 1 to the right side, and we have 2A and 3A, that's 5A, is equal to 34 plus 1, and this is 35. A therefore is equal to 5 divided by 5 both sides of the equation. So A is equal to 7. 7 years. That's the present age of A. And to compute for the present age of B, we go back to our table. So B's present age is 3A minus 1 divided by 2 plus 4. So we have here B's age in the present. And A's age is 7 years. So we have to do is substitute this age to this equation to get B's present age. So B is equal to 3 times A, where A is 7. So times 7 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 4. So this is now 7 times 3 is 21 minus 1, that is 20 divided by 2 plus 4. And simplify this further. B now is equal to 20 plus, we can have 2 divided by 2 added to that. So we have the common denominator. So we have now 20 plus 8 and all divided by 2. And this is equal to 28 divided by 2. So B is equal to 28 divided by 2 is 14. So that is B's present age. And to solve for C's age, we go back to our table again. So C's age is this, 3A plus 4 minus 5, that is 3A minus 1. That's the present age of C. So C's present age is 3A minus 1, that is from 3A plus 4 minus 5, that is 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and where A is 7. So C is equal to 3 times 7 minus 1, that is 7 times 3 is 21, minus 1 is 20. So C's present age is 20 years. So we have here a table of their present ages. A is age 7, B is 14, C is 20. For the future, since this is 5 years into the future, all we have to do is just add 5 to that. 7 plus 5, that is 12. 14 plus 5 is 19. And 20 plus 5 is 25. To check our answer, if their ages are correct, is we have to reflect on the expression expressed in their future ages from the first table. So this part right here, future ages of A, B, and C, A plus 5, B's future age, that will be all in 5 years. That will be 3A minus 1 divided by 2 plus 9, and C's future age is 3A plus 4. And from this second table where we have just tabulated the present age and future ages, to check our answer is we take this data from the first table. A's future age is A plus 5, that is 12. since A is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, and B's age is 19. So 3A, A is 7, 21. 3 times 7 is 21 minus 1 is 20 divided by 2 is 10 plus 9 is 19. That's correct. And C's age is, future age is 25. And A's age is 7, so 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So that confirms all our answers are correct. I mean, these present ages. A is 7, B is 14, C is 20. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, if you like this video, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more of this kind of videos in the future. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye.